I am told by residents in Aleppo that shelling and clashes have intensified, with explosions shaking the city, as Syrian government forces again attack the Kurdish majority neighborhoods of Sheikh Mahsoud and Ashrafiyeh. In addition to Kurds, these neighborhoods are also home to Christians and Yazidis, many who are displaced from Afrin. Even Nadia Murad shared on social media that she was getting urgent appeals from Yazidis, Christians, and Kurds who feared imminent threats. While the Syrian government announced what they called a ceasefire last night, and we all rejoiced, it really was not a ceasefire that they wanted. What they have demanded is a full withdrawal of local police, or the ASIH. In no universe should these forces, made up of Turkish-backed Syrian National Army militias, or the SNA, many who are Islamists, sanctioned by the US, UK, and EU for their human rights abuses, foreign fighters or HTS fighters be allowed to take over security for religious minorities. These communities know what that has meant elsewhere in Syria, and it would invite displacement and abuses, not protection. The US and the international community must press for these attacks to stop and for the local police to be able to remain.